All right, so posting this video because we wish we found one this simple, but we're replacing this fridge vent clip that are really cheap and they break. So we had one of them break because the front actually snapped off, and we lasted for a little bit. We hung on by one side until the other one broke and the inside snapped off. So we bought a pair of two to replace both these clips. All right, so first thing you're gonna wanna do is to remove the clips that are in there if they're not already falling out. So how you're gonna do that is basically one direction of this is gonna be like your tighten side or your lock side, and you can get like a knife or a flathead or something to twist this front part, and that should loosen it enough in order to pull it out. So I'm just gonna push from the back, and that popped right out. So you can see that is why we were replacing it, is broken. I'm gonna get out the one that we bought. So we bought a 2-pack for $13. So these are really overpriced. These probably cost like 50 cents to make, but they're a super specific part and we couldn't find any other options. So this is what we were confused about, is that it comes in one piece. We thought maybe you had to push this through so it would lock, but no, you actually have to bend it until it comes into two pieces. So just snap it right off. And then it's not easy to do, but there's gonna be a hole in the one side and you're just gonna wanna push it. It's not very easy to do. You have to avoid these little pins that are on the inside. So try to angle the way that you're pushing in just right. Don't push too hard, because I've heard a decent amount of people say they've broken these, but that's pushed in. So now it is assembled. So how this is supposed to work, as you can see from this piece, basically as this side twists, it opens up and makes this larger. So it presses against this plastic clip. So you want to make sure it's like that when you're pushing in, and then it's going to push in through the hole, and then you're going to twist it to lock it in. So here's our open hole here. So I'm just going to go directly in. And that's it. Now it's clipped in and it should be ready to put back onto our open hole there.
And you want to make sure you have a butter knife for the job.
Brendan approved. All right, so now it's locked in. Good as new.